Hello guys, and welcome to this video. And this video I will show with you how you can upload a t-shirt on Roblox. So guys, go to search bar on Google and type Roblox Creator Hub. So click the first link and you can see here, and you want to do guys, log on automatically in your account and left creation, click on the here avatar items and go classic. So when you go to classic, select classic t-shirt. So in the case you can upload a t-shirt, and I am going to click on classic t-shirt. That down here say and upload asset, and you want to click this one when you said asset shirts, but you can also change here, and you can want to do upload asset, and when you can upload that, you can format, you can be this format and maximize size file can be 20 mega. Now this image will be visible to other after the moderation, as you can see here. Keep mind you have to name your t-shirt and description and character. So as you can see, this is which can be up to 1000 character, and this is pretty much guys. I hope this video helpful for you guys. See you on another video soon.